Okay. Just here at the bird park. Look at those birds. So I'm here at Bird Park in Bali. As you can see, I don't have to tell you too much. So yeah, if you want to see how I got to this bird park and you want to see around the bird park, I've done a full video of this entire bird park. So what I would like you to do is just continue watching this entire video and you will see how I got here. So, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Peace out. We have just left Bali Zoo and we're heading to the bird park. So cool how they have the zoo and they also have separate place for the birds and a separate place for reptiles. So they're not all together in one zoo like most of the other zoos. You see the animals and the snakes, the reptiles and the birds all together in one place, but here in Bali they're separated, which is very unique. So we've exited the zoo and now we will go to the bird park, and I don't think we're gonna have time to check out the reptile. Maybe we'll leave that for another time, but yeah, I will update you guys as soon as we get to the bird park. So the time right now is, what time is it now? 3:23. Okay, 3:23. Yep. Okay, cool. So I'm not sure what time they close. They probably close around about 5, yeah, maybe? Okay, so it's still got 2 hours. Okay, very good. So yeah, so we are just arriving now at Bali Bird Park. So we just got here, Bali Bird Park. Oh, yep, the reptile center. Oh, okay, yep, so the reptile center is just up there. Bali Reptile Park. Wow, cool, that's awesome. So the Bali Bird Park. Yeah, we're gonna go and check out the bird park. My wife, she said she's scared of the snakes, of reptiles. So, Bali Bird Park instead of the Bali Reptile Park. Wow. So yeah, we're gonna go in here. I have both of them next to each other. So yeah, we're just coming to book our tickets. Hi. How much is the ticket for 2 people?
Okay. For 1 person, the price is 385.
Okay, 385.
Times 2%, it's going to be 770,000 rupees. Where do you come from?
We're from Australia.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this ticket only for the bird park.
Yeah, that's fine.
And the reptile park, the next door is separate ticket.
Okay. Do you know how much it is at the
250, sir.
for the reptile?
By
Okay.
next door, not
Okay,
here.
no problem. No worries. Huh? Oh, okay. Yeah, we're just getting the ticket, and that's about Australian dollars, about $75. So I don't want to do too much math in my head. So.
So here this is at 4. So that's about 20 minutes left from now. Okay.
Okay. What time they close?
What time do you close? At 5:30.
5:30? Awesome.
Yes.
Thank you.
And for picture with the bird, the location in number 1.
Okay.
So you can hold to the bird in your hand.
No worries. Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Cool. No worries. So yeah, we're just entering the park now, and I do apologize if the sound quality is not that great because I might remove my microphone. So because it's out of charge, so I'm just using the camera by itself right now. So hopefully the sound quality is pretty good. Hi, how are you? With the birds, want to do that? Okay, we're gonna take some photos with the birds. Okay, awesome. Yeah, we'll do it together. So my channel with the birds as well. Okay. I'm just here at the bird park. Look at those birds. Yeah. Wow. Check out this cute guy. Okay, who the hell are you supposed to be? I've never seen you before. Have we met? Nah, I haven't met you before. The guy's cute. Wow. Feels so natural. Yeah? Feels like very natural. But oh, we go up first or we walk around first? Okay. Yeah, it feels so natural. That's like you're in the real forest, like the Amazon forest or something. Wow. Huh? Yeah, we can go off from here, that's fine. Oh, what is, okay, check this animal out. Wow, this is so cute. Very cute animal. Oh, yeah, my camera was a bit there. I had to clean it, I didn't know. Wow, look at these guys. Can this dude fly? I don't know. I don't even know what he's capable of. But I know he's capable of being cute. Okay. Do you think this can fly? I don't know what he's capable of, but I'm pretty sure he can fly. Don't bite me. I know you're not. I can see you want to bite. Wow. So yeah, if you ever do come to Bali, I would highly recommend you to come and check this place out. Very nice. I would highly recommend it. Very nice, feels very natural as well. Looks like they have like a kind of a stage. Looks like a stage. Maybe they do some kind of bird, a bird show here as well. Yeah. So. Wow. Very nice. Wow. Look at this place. Wow. Very nice. Very nice place. Wow. Looks very tropical. Bird up there, the white one. It looks like a white peacock. I don't know if you can see it. It's up there somewhere. Wow, very nice. Oh, they also have fish in here. Cool. It's very tropical, very nice, very beautiful. I'm enjoying it. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Trying my best to give you guys the best content to show you around.
Selamat sore Bapak Ibu semuanya, selamat datang di Wall Encounter kami, Bali Rainforest Free Fly. Hari ini kami akan memperkenalkan kepada Anda berbagai spesies burung yang ada di Bali. Jadi akan membawakan Bali 15.
So we've just arrived here to watch this amazing bird show. So if you're enjoying this video so far, please like this video, leave a comment, and definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to bring you guys more amazing videos like this one. And if you are enjoying this video, I'm sure you will also love my video at Bali Zoo, which is right in front of you on this screen, and it's also on my YouTube channel. Please go and check it out. I'm sure you will love it.
Bruno will try to catch the bird, and this is how hornbill catch insects in the forest. So everyone please help me to count how many slices of fruits Bruno able to catch. Okay, ready now, trainer? Alright, start now. Go, Bruno. 1,
Wow.
next, 2, okay,
Wow, he just catches it.
3, okay,
Wow.
4, 5. Oh,
Wow.
try again. 5.
Wow.
1 minute for Bruno.
So full of catching.
6 slices of fruit for today.
Wow.
We didn't have to train Bruno to do this. He actually caught the fruit by following his instinct to find his wife.
Oh, they didn't have to train him.
Alright, so that's all for Bruno. Thank you so much, Bruno. Jadi sesungguhnya kami tidak pernah mengajarkan Bruno untuk menangkap makanan. Sesungguhnya ia menangkap makanan karena mengikuti naluri alaminya. Dan tetap bertahan hidup sama seperti di alam. And we have some bear beds. And also our lovely ducky bird. What's your name? What's your name? Harry. Okay, follow me please and go to the dogs like this. So once again, thank you very much for joining us. I hope you enjoy the rest of your holiday in Paradise Island of Bali. Thank you. Bye bye.
So yeah, the bird show is just finished and we're gonna walk around and I'll show you more of this place to show you how everything looks. Huh? So I'm gonna go around and show you guys how this place looks. But yeah, that was nice. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Which way are we going? This way? Okay. Wow, very green place, very green, very nice. Yeah, this is a huge garden full of birds. A lot of people, when they come to Bali, normally people do what all the tourists do, but I'm like, I want to do something different that a lot of people don't do. Is like a lot of people just go to the Bali swing and the quad bike, the waterfall. But I don't see many people, even many YouTubers, come to the zoo or yeah, because a lot of people don't even know that Bali does even have a zoo. So just thought I'll record it and show you guys places that it's not, you know, not a lot of people. So yeah, just gonna go around and show you guys how this place looks. So we've been out all day. We went to the zoo and now we came to the zoo to the bird park. It's only about 10 minutes drive. And then when you get to the bird park, as you saw on the video, what is it called? The reptile park is right next to the bird park, which is very convenient. So if you come to the bird park, you can just check out the reptile if you like reptile. But today we're not gonna go because by the time we leave here, it's gonna be closed. What kind of bird is this? Wow. What is this beautiful bird? Very pretty. Yeah, I'm just gonna explore this place and I'll show you as I go along. This bird, I think that's the same one that was one that's different to the one that we're using on the bird show before. Very cute, very pretty, very nice color. You like the show, babe? Are we matching? My clothes is matching, eh? You want to tell the viewers anything if you're enjoying this place?
So good so far. So
So
pretty.
good, right? Yeah, so pretty. So green. Not only this park is green, like the entire valley is green. So green. Why have they got photos of what are these, reptiles? But this is not a reptile center. Maybe they have them here. I don't know. Maybe they. Oh yeah, they do have reptiles. Yeah, I just saw that. Wow, that's nice. So they have reptiles at the bird park. A couple of reptiles. What is this? Like Komodo. Looks like a Komodo dragon, but I'm not an animal expert, so you can tell me what it is if you're watching this video. So I don't know what it is. But yeah, this bird park is huge. Been to a bird park in Singapore before. It was huge, but to be honest, babe, I think I like this bird park. It's so nice. So very nice. Different kind of birds in those cages. Come see. What is this? I don't know. Bird park always had that calming sound, yeah? From the bird sound, it's like meditation. Kind of meditation sound. It's good to come here and meditate. If you meditate. So. Wow. So we're just gonna go and have something to eat, and then we're gonna leave the bird park. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did like it, again, subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to like and share this video. But for now, I'm out of here.